A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much happy to see you all again, and I'm very much glad to share this video with you because in this video I'm going to tell you how I transformed from a graduate into an agriculture field officer. Come on, let's get into the video. This video might help you in your preparation schedule. Actually, I started preparing for this IBPS AFO after my graduation, but before that, I just thought of to write the banking exams in general. But due to the love and passion towards my subject, I just wanted to become a banking officer in the name of my subject, that is agriculture field officer. And it is May at the time of completion of my graduation. So I started preparing for IBPS AFO from the month of June. In correct, I have to say that I have followed the 8-month planning which I have provided you already. If you haven't seen that video, I'll give the link in the description box. Just go through it. I started for the preparation of prelims in the month of June, and I took June and July 2 months to complete and revise the entire syllabus of prelims examination. After that, in the month of August, I started reading Nemrat Sunda, and I've completed at the end of August, and I have revised it too. After that, in September, I've gone for R.K. Sharma. I've completed that book in September and revised it too. One thing I want to mention here, I really enjoyed reading these two books in those 2 months because I really loved my subject. So it created an interest and enthusiasm in me so that I don't get bored of. So if you are really interested in anything, then no matter how tough it may be or how boring it may be, it will never stop you anywhere. So whatever you read, just create your own interest so that you don't find any difficulties while reading. Added to that, I have provided the daily routine scheduling video previously. If you haven't watched, I'll give the link in the description box. Just go through it. Actually, I followed it. I have planned 8 hours per day while preparation of the mains. Coming to the matter, in the month of August and September, I have completed the Nemrat Sunda and R.K. Sharma book completely, and I have revised it too. Okay. After that, in the month of October, in the starting 10 days, I have completed the NABARD bankable projects, and after that, I have read the Farmers Friendly Handbook, and I have added the NABARD sectoral papers too in the month of October. In that month, I have completed everything and I have revised it also. Yes, I have completed Farmers Friendly Handbook, I have completed NABARD bankable project and sectoral papers. Within the month of August, September and October, I have completed the entire thing for mains examination. Coming to the current affairs, I haven't got any quality content for current affairs, so I started writing starting from the January till the mains examination the next January. As I faced this difficulty while my preparation, I decided to post the current affairs video every week with all the content covering. Just make use of it. We are collecting and summarizing the agriculture current affairs from a number of sources and providing you. Just make use of it. And added to that, I've completed the agriculture related schemes in the last 2 to 3 days of October. Coming to the point, I've said that I've completed everything in the end of October, and fortunately at the end of October, that is 29th of October 2020, IBPS has released the short notice for AFO recruitment. The official notification has been released on 1st of November 2020, and from the next day itself, that is the 2nd November itself, they have started for posting the application, and the closure of application is lasted till 23rd of November. And after the release of this short notice, I started revising for the prelims examination, which I have completed in the June-July itself. Even though I have completed in June-July, in between the mains preparation, I have spent few times for revising the prelim syllabus, so that I have been in touch with the prelim syllabus also. So it is made easy to revise these things after the release of short notice. Complete November and December I have revised for the prelims examination, but in between I have took some time for revising the main syllabus too, so that I will be in touch. Have got my admit card on 9th of December. Yes, it has been released by the IBPS, and my prelims exam date is 26th of December. Very shortly after the completion of the prelims examination, I started revising for the mains examination in the next day itself, because we'll be getting only 20 to 25 days in between for the preparation of mains. And in between the preparation of the mains examination, we have got the result for the prelims on 6th of January, and the scorecard has been released on 8th of January, that is 2 days after the result declaration. And this is my scorecard. Actually, I have provided it previously in a video, how to knock out IBPS AFO at first attempt. If you haven't watched that, I'll give you the link in the description box. Just go through it. I have provided the screenshot of my prelims mark and also mains, interview and final result mark. In that video, you can also go through it. In aptitude, I have got 24.25 and the cutoff is only 5.75. And in reasoning, I have got 12.75 and the cutoff is 2.5. And in English, I have got 15 and the cutoff is only 2.75. The overall cutoff is 40.88 and I have secured 52 overall, and I have cleared the examination. And the mains preparation is going on. We have got our admit card on 9th of January itself, and the mains examination is on 24th of January 2021. We have successfully completed the examination, and on 4th of February we have got the results of mains examination. And for those who have cleared the examination, IBPS won't release the scorecard, and it will be released only after the completion of the interview. And for those who haven't cleared the examination, they will release the scorecard within 2 or 3 days. And I have cleared the mains examination too, and after that I have started preparing for the interview, and the admit card has been released on 11th of February, and the interview is held on 24th of February 2021. And I have successfully attended the interview and given the interview very well. But after the completion of the interview, the mains scorecard has been released on 19th of March 2021, and I'll show you the scorecard. This is my scorecard, and I have got 49 out of 60, and the cutoff is 41 for OBC category, and I have scored 8 marks higher than the cutoff. And after the release of scorecard, I gained a little confidence that I'll clear off the examination and I'll get the bank which I've given in my first preference. We are awaiting for the results, and it is the big day. It is on 1st of April. Yes, I've cleared off the examination. As per my thought, I have placed in Canara Bank, which I have given in the first preference. I have got 80.93 out of 100, and I have cleared the examination in the unreserved category. And this is all about my success journey. And in between, we have lot of struggles and lot of difficulties while the preparation. Instead of those things, you have to work hard determinedly to achieve your goal. That determination have given me this place, and I've shared this video to you because you might get some motivation so that you'll be working a lot to achieve your goal. and I want all my followers to reach the place which they are dreaming of. I'll be happy if this video or this channel is a little part in your success. And this is all about my journey to reach the agriculture field officer, and I wish you all the best to reach your success, and thank you for all your supports, and do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you and see you all again.